Ten Commandments need to come down.
The controversial decision came from Oklahoma's Supreme Court, prompting a group of Republican lawmakers to call for impeachment of justices tonight.
Those justices say the monument at the Capitol breaks our Constitution. Fox 25's Jordan Lucero is live at the monument right now. And Jordan, this is illegal, but will it still stay up?
It is still up right now, and that's because this evening I got a copy of this. It's 6 pages from the state attorney general's office listing everything he says is wrong with today's decision, and it's calling for a rehearing. Now, this was just filed a few hours ago, so until this is decided, this will stay up. The Ten Commandments monument, a gift to the state, was controversial from the day the Oklahoma legislature okayed it to go up 3 years ago. Now there's a controversial decision about its future.
My phone has not quit ringing. My mother called me crying and said, Karen, I want you to turn on the TV.
Karen Monahan says she became emotional too when she saw the news. The Oklahoma State Supreme Court ruled it breaks the state constitution and should be removed.
The state's highest court has spoken.
Ryan Kiesel is the executive director of ACLU Oklahoma, the group that represented the plaintiffs in their case against the Ten Commandments, all three religious leaders.
Today's decision is a victory for all Oklahomans, but in particular, Oklahomans of faith.
He says justices sided with them, affirming the commandments are sacred to their belief system. But because of that, it breaks a section of the Oklahoma Bill of Rights that says public property cannot be used to support religion.
It was a wrong decision.
The state argued it's a historic document, but State Attorney General Scott Pruitt says there's more the court should have considered. Like monuments like this have been ruled okay under the U.S. Constitution.
And I think most Oklahomans would say, look, if it's okay with the First Amendment, if the federal U.S. Constitution permits this, then it should be permissive under our state constitution.
Pruitt also says the court has set precedent. It ignored this time permitting items with religious significance to exist on state grounds.
I'm not going to accept this as the final word. It may be the final word, but I want to go ahead and continue on as far as getting my signatures.
Monahan worked to collect nearly 4,000 signatures this year of Oklahomans who want to keep the statue. She had planned to present the petition on Monday. Okay, so again, this doesn't have to come down just yet, but in case it does come down, we've seen several people come out here to take pictures, look at it, even just 2 more groups in the past 15 minutes. Reporting live at the state capitol, Jordan Lucero, Fox 25 News.